The density of a certain rod a foot long varies directly as the square of the distance from one end. Find the center of gravity. A43A, B34A, C13A, D14A. The correct answer is 34A. The sum of the products of the area of its elements and the squares of the perpendicular distances of the centers of gravity of these elements from the axis is called A. Centrifugal force, B. Moment of inertia of areas, C. Centripetal force, D. Center of gravity. The correct answer is moment of inertia of areas. A body consists of numerous particles on which the pull of the earth, i.e. the forces of gravity, act. The resultant of these forces acts through point. This point is called the of the body. A. Centroid, B. Neutral axis, C. Center of gravity, D. Gravity. The correct answer is center of gravity. The moment of inertia is graphically determined with the help of space diagrams, polar diagram, force diagram, and funicular polygons. A. Culmann's method, B. Calibration method, C. Continuity method, D. Coulomb method. The correct answer is Culmann's method. The unit of moment of inertia will be in A. Length distance 2, B. Area to length, C. Area distance 3, D. Kilogram meter squared. The correct answer is kilogram meter squared. When an area is symmetrical about both its axes, the center of gravity will be at the of these axes. A. Linear point, B. Different point, C. Collinear point, D. Point of intersection. The correct answer is point of intersection. In case of an area, the figure is assumed to be a lamina of negligible thickness so that its center of gravity will be practically on the surface. As the area has no weight, this point is also called the A. Moment of inertia of areas, B. Center of gravity, C. Centroid, D. Neutral axis. The correct answer is centroid. For locating the position of the center of gravity of an area of unsymmetrical shape, it is first divided into a number of symmetrical shapes. A. Smaller areas, B. Larger areas, C. Identical areas, D. Same areas. The correct answer is smaller areas.